Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. A guardian is a protector or defender, often tasked with keeping someone or something safe. In games like Minecraft, guardians are hostile underwater mobs that protect ocean monuments. Pronunciation, French. In France, the word Gardien is pronounced Gar-dee-uhn, with a soft French R and a smooth flowing ending, Gar-dyen, giving it an elegant tone. American. In America, people say Gar-dee-uhn with a clear gar and the stress on the first syllable, Gar-dyen, making it sound strong and direct. British. In the UK, it's pronounced Gah-dee-uhn, with the R softened or dropped and the vowels slightly elongated, Gah-dee-uhn, giving it a smoother, gentler sound. Summary, French, Gar-dee-uhn. American, Gar-dyen. British, Gah-dien. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.